Welcome back to physics session. Today we are going to discuss magnetic field. First the lesson. So electromagnetics. First we are going to discuss magnetic field. So first discovery. So here magnetic field or magnetic phenomena was first observed observed in an iron ore found in a talk of town. Iron ore found in a town of Turkey. This town of Turkey is called Magnesia. This magnesia here, this iron ore was called magnetite. So this magnetite characteristics nothing but attract some specific metals. So this iron ore, next point, this iron ore was called magnetite. It is it has characteristics it has characteristics to attract some specific metals. So let us consider now. This one is one magnetite type. So here the one, let us consider cobalt. So here the nickel. So here let us consider here the iron. Here the again nickel, like that. So here these four are attracted. These four are attracted towards the magnetite. So here this some force or here there exists a vector force field in surrounding of iron ore. So this let us call this field, this force towards the metal magnetite side. It means here there exists a vector force. There exists a vector force field in surrounding of iron ore, and this field was named magnetic field. Denoted by letter B bar in vector form denoted by letter B bar. Next important topic, Oersted law. Oersted physician scientist. This scientist observed so current carrying a wire produced magnetic field its surrounding. So Oersted observed that Oersted observed that a current carrying wire produced magnetic field its surrounding. This one our scientist observed experimentally. So let us consider this is the wire, in between A and B one wire, this is the wire. So A terminal connecting battery positive and B connecting battery negative through switch and ammeter reading also connecting like this. So whenever the connecting here, the in first case here the current moving like this is the current direction, here the current direction, here the current direction, here the current direction. Whenever here near to this wire, in between A and B wire, you may put here the, in this experiment you may put the compass needle. So this is one compass. So like this compass in the help of scale also there. So here the compass needle there. So now this one is a compass needle. This one is a compass needle. So when the current moving like this first of all this one is a initially this north, south, east, west. So this is a compass needle. This one is a compass needle. So now this is a just initially without current flowing, this is a compass needle only like this only. So this is a compass needle. So north coincident north and south, compass needle coincident north and south, this is a compass needle. So whenever current passing through the wire, here is some deflection is there. Compass needle deflection is there, opposite direction deflection is there. So and you may replace the battery polarities. So this is the negative, this is the positive. Same experiment, you may do same experiment. So here this compass needle, here the current direction changing, this is the current direction. Now whenever the polarity changing, nothing but this is the current direction also changing. This is the current direction. Now this is the current direction. The positive, this is the negative. In this way, this is the compass needle. Here again deflection opposite to the previous case. Again this deflection opposite to the previous case. This experiment observed by Oersted. This experiment observed by, it means here something is there. So that's why here the magnetic needle. This is a magnetic needle, nothing but a compass needle, nothing but here this here magnetic field and this due to this magnetic field, this magnetic field nothing but earth magnetic field and this magnetic field both are so repulsing each other. So this experiment observed by Oersted. That's why. So they given one condition, they given one statement also. That's why a current carrying wire produced magnetic field is surrounding. In this surrounding, magnetic field produced. Now let us discuss very important case here, the direction of magnetic field by current carrying wire. So direction, how to find the direction of the magnetic field. So very important, this one is a very important. If you know the how to find the directions of magnetic field, so remaining so numerical and remaining conditions or cases are everything easy. So here the current direction of B bar, direction of magnetic field vector B bar in surrounding of a current wire is given by right hand thumb rule. So direction of B bar nothing but magnetic field vector in surrounding of a current wire in surrounding of a current wire is given by right hand thumb rule. So right hand thumb rule. So what is the right hand thumb rule? We are going to discuss. Right hand thumb rule. So what is the right hand thumb rule? We are going to discuss. If we keep right hand thumb along the direction of current, then curl fingers in surrounding of wire. So give the direction of magnetic field. So means let us consider this one wire. So current moving so lower to the upper like this. This is a current direction. So here if you may take right hand. So if we keep right hand thumb like this, thumb along the direction of current, this the direction of the current, then curl fingers in surrounding of wire, give the direction of magnetic field. Clear everybody? So once again, so this right hand thumb you may put along the direction of current, first of all like this, along the direction of current, then close here the curl fingers close like this, is in surrounding of wire, the direction of magnetic field. This curl fingers so tells the direction of the magnetic field. If we keep the right hand thumb along the direction of current, along the direction of the current, then curled fingers in surrounding of wire given or give the direction of magnetic field. It means let us consider this wire, this current moving upward direction. So you may put here the right hand like this. This is the thumb. So you may put like this. So here these fingers indicate. So these fingers thumb, this thumb indicator. So current current direction. This curl fingers indicate magnetic field direction. So another, let us consider one example. Let us consider here the one wire. So here this point I would like to consider X. This point P, when the current moving upward means this at X point, here the current into the board. So that's why that X point current into the board, into the plane, into the paper. So here is nothing but this current in this right side area, magnetic field direction inward. So inward direction. So inward direction nothing but here the into the plane of paper. Into the plane of paper. So let us consider this is the left side Y point. So due to this one, here the curl finger, see here. So need this. Let us consider this a wire. In this one is my fingers is coming outside, out. So that's why here in this area, here the magnetic field outside denoted by letter dot, denoted by diagram. This a dot into the paper, nothing but cross. So here nothing but outward direction. Outward direction nothing but here the away from plane of paper. Away from plane of paper. So here into the board, not into the inward direction nothing but into the plane of paper. Outward direction nothing but away from plane of paper. It means let us consider this one is here this right side, here this point, see my curl finger into the board like this. This is into the board. So into the board, that's why in this area cross, inward direction. See here outward. So my fingers coming away from the plane of paper, nothing but here in this right side outward direction. Here the symbol is dot and circle. Inward direction symbol is cross and circle. Clear everybody? So one more example also there. So let us consider here the wire like this. This a current moving like this. This a current direction. It means here, see here the current direction. So here the current direction. So here current here maybe one is toward into the plane of paper, or another current direction away from the plane of paper. Here I would like to consider first case into the plane of paper. It means this thumb indicate current direction. Here in this side magnetic field curl. So it means here the current direction, this is a current inward into the board. So that's the current direction, and this is a current I. Here the current, this is current. So here the inward. So here magnetic field forming circle like this. Here the magnetic field direction, see thumb indicate current direction. Here the this side, so this is the clockwise direction. So here the tangential downward, here the tangential upward, like this, the clockwise direction. And the next example, let us consider here this is a wire, this is the direction of the wire, but here the current out of the plane of paper or away from the plane of paper, like here also current like this, and due to the surrounding magnetic field produced like this, here the magnetic field, so here the current I, and here the magnetic field anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Anti-clockwise direction. Here the tangential upward, here the tangential downward, here the tangential quite opposite these two. Here the current into the plane of paper. Here the current inward direction. Inward direction means into the plane of paper. Here the current outward direction. Outward direction nothing but away from the plane of paper. Away from plane of paper. You may remember whether sometimes they will ask direction also. Next, another important direction of magnetic field by current carrying loop. So let us consider one loop here. So let us consider this one loop. Let us consider here one loop like this. In this loop, this current direction I would like to consider anti-clockwise direction. This is the current direction. Current direction. So I would like to identify this. So let us consider this A point, this B point. So let us consider here due to this A and B, here magnetic field produced. Here you may use right hand thumb rule. So this is the direction. So it means due to here magnetic field produced surrounding on it like this. Surrounding on it like this. So it means here into the plate in this direction, inward direction, in this direction inward, here the tangential direction you may draw the magnetic field direction. So here the magnetic field direction downward, and here so inside this is the magnetic field direction, this is the magnetic field direction. So here the magnetic field direction. So and another point, let us consider this is the X and this is the Y, X and Y. Here you may consider, so one loop wire here due to this element, so magnetic field produced surrounding on it like this. This is the surrounding on it like this. This is the surrounding on it. Here also, here see, in this area in this area out of the paper, away from the board. So that's why this is the direction. So here the direction, here the direction. Now here into the board. So here the out of board. This is the out of board direction. This is the magnetic field. So this one top, if you see the top side, top view, see here, this one is the one complete cycle, and circle, complete circle means loop. Here the current we consider anti-clockwise direction. This is the current direction. Inside the all are, see here, into here outside here out of the circle into the board magnetic field, inside the circle this magnetic field out of the board. That's why here inside the circle loop always here anywhere here out of the board, out of the board like this. Okay, in surrounding into the board, magnetic field into the board according to right hand thumb rule. In surrounding of the circle or loop, this loop out of the into the board like this. This here the into, here the out, here the into, here the out. Here another important, this one is a very important, you may put triple star, magnetic field of moving charge. here charge moving, electrostatic charging rest only, here charge moving. So what happened? By experiment it was deduced that magnetic field in surrounding of a moving charge depending on some factors we are going to discuss. So here the by experiment it was deduced that magnetic field induction in surrounding of moving charge depends on some factors these are, so let us consider this a positive charge. This charge moving with a velocity v bar and due to like this. So due to this point P, whenever charge moving like this, so due to this one positive charge, whenever charge moving upward direction, nothing but your current direction also. So here in this area you may use like this. So right hand thumb rule, this curl finger indicate magnetic field direction. So at point P here the into the inward direction. So this distance from this point here the R, here making angle, let us consider this theta, making angle theta. Here the magnetic field outlet consider B bar. So this the velocity. So here depending on some factor, this magnitude of first case, magnitude of B bar is directly proportional to velocity. So and second condition, magnitude of B bar is directly proportional to charge. In third one, magnitude of B bar is directly proportional to sin theta. So in fourth one, magnitude of B bar is directly proportional to 1 by distance square. 1 by distance. These four factors very important. So this commonly I am going to write magnitude of B is directly proportional to Q V sin theta divided by R square. That magnitude of B bar should be B is equal to proportional to constant K into Q V sin theta divided by R square. Sin theta divided by R square. For force, for free space, so for free space says, so here the magnetic field B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi Q into V into sin theta divided by R square. This formula very important. Based on this one, they will ask numerical problems. Here mu naught nothing but magnetic permeability of free space. So here the mu naught nothing but mu naught is magnetic permeability of free space. Free permeability of free space. So this one I'm going in vector form also there. So in vector form B bar should be is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into here the q into v into sine theta divided by r square into r cap. This is the vector form. Now already we know unit vector is equal to u bar is equal to r bar divided by magnitude of r. This value substitute here. This value substitute here. After substitution, so that value what happen we are going to discuss. So here in vector form also sometime they will ask. In vector form also sometime they will ask. So here b bar this vector form. So magnetic field vector form b bar is equal to mu naught by 4 pi qv sin theta into r bar divided by r cube. So here cross factor, here q is a and v also vector, and b bar should be is equal to mu naught by 4 pi q into r cross v divided by r cube. This is the vector form. Another important model here, the very important, you may put 3 star or 4 star. So magnetic field of a moving charge. So whenever the charge moving case, what happen here magnetic field we are going to discuss here, depending on some factor also there. By experiment it was deduced that magnetic field induction in surrounding of a moving charge depends on some factor. These are, so let us consider this point charge, this charge moving with a velocity v bar. So this is the direction due to this point P. So here making angle theta. So here this distance is the r bar. So here the whenever velocity direction, thumb direction, you may use right hand curl finger. Here the into the board inward direction nothing but into the board or plane, or paper. So here this one, in this case already here this value depending on here the depending on, so 4 factor. First one, so here the magnitude of b bar is directly proportional to velocity. Second one, magnitude of b bar is directly proportional to charge. In third factor, magnitude of b bar is directly proportional to here theta nothing but in this direction sine theta. So magnitude of b bar is directly proportional to distance between them, so 1 by r square. So combination of these 4, here the nothing but that's why I am going to write here the b bar, magnitude of b bar is directly proportional to, so here the v charge sine theta divided by r square. This b is equal to proportional to constant, I would like to write here k into v into q into sine theta divided by r square So here here in free here the for free space for free space magnetic field B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into V into Q into sin theta divided by R square. Here mu naught nothing but here mu naught indicate so magnetic permeability, where mu naught nothing but mu naught is magnetic permeability of free space. So here so this is the main formula, that D is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into V into Q into sin theta divided by R square. So this is a vector for, so this formula we are going to discuss vectorially. B bar, that B bar should be is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into Q into V cross R divided by R cube. You may remember. So it means here how to connect in a vector form. So it nothing but so here B is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into VQ sin theta divided by R square multiply R cap. R cap nothing but here the R cap nothing but R bar divided by magnitude of R. Unit R cap nothing but unit vector. Unit vector is equal to R bar divided by R. This value substitute here. So here the sin theta is there. That's why V cross R, cross product. So here the QV R sin theta by R square. So Q constant, V changing and R also changing. That's why V cross R. This formula very important. Already here R square there, here 1 R. So that's why I wrote here R cube. This formula vectorial formula and this formula scalar formula. Next very important law, Biot-Savart law. You may put 5 star. In the chapter. So magnetic effect. So electromagnetic, this chapter, this Biot-Savart law very important topic. Please listen carefully everybody. So here Biot-Savart law, this law gives the magnetic induction, Mi nothing but magnetic induction vector in surrounding of a current element. Current element nothing but a small piece of a current carrying wire. Current carrying wire. So here let us consider one wire. So here the current direction I. So let us consider this is the point P. Here making angle theta. So here the small elemental dl. So due to this one, here the current direction upward direction in this area into the board inward direction, in this area outward direction, outward consider. Here that due to this point P, here the current direction inward direction you may identify. Due to the small elemental here produced magnetic field induction, here be dB bar in vector form only. So dB bar, here the distance between here to here, how do you consider R bar? How do you consider R bar? Here this one small, here the number of electrons cross this junction or this element, cross this element. Here the already we know. So here the charge flow per unit time, charge flow per unit time is equal to I is equal to n into area, this area into, so here the area into E into drift speed, drift velocity. So already we discussed current electricity this part. So here the due to this small elemental also this charge flow nothing but here the produced magnetic field. In previous case already we know, here the in previous case dB vector form, here not in scalar, this not in vector form, this is scalar form. dB is equal to mu naught by 4 pi dq charge into here the q v velocity into here the, so sin theta divided by r square. This is general formula, general formula. Here the dq nothing but here the, so charge is nothing but here the mu naught by 4 pi into n number of electrons into here the area into small elemental dl nothing but volume into this velocity nothing but drift velocity into sin theta divided by r square, sin theta divided by r square. Here n into E into A into drift velocity nothing but here the charge flow per unit time, charge flow per unit time. So charge flow per unit time, shall I replace here? So dB bar is, dB should be is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into, so here the current I into dl into sin theta divided by r square. This is a in a general formula. So in free space formula, scalar formula. So if we want here the total value, here the total value, here the total value, or first you may convert into vector form nothing but r cap. So here the dB bar should be is equal to, whenever the multiply and divided before, if we convert into vectorial form, vectorially dB bar is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into I into dl sin theta divided by r square into r cap. So that r cap nothing but here the mu naught by 4 pi into I into dl r sin theta divided by r square into r nothing but r cube. Because of the here the condition r cap is equal, unit vector is equal to r bar divided by magnitude of r bar. So here substitute here. So dB bar should be is equal to mu naught by 4 pi into I constant dl bar cross r bar divided by r cube. This is a vector form. This is a vector form. If we want total magnetic induction at point P, total magnetic induction due to point P, here B is equal to integral dB bar should be is equal to integral of mu naught by 4 pi I into dl bar cross r bar divided by r cube r cube. Based on this one, they will ask numerical, this one and this one. Based on this one, they will ask numerical. This formula very important. Put 5 stars.